Hello, everybody. It's Lyle here from Sniffle Valve. This isn't a tutorial this time around. It's mostly an update for the Sniffle Valve channel, especially for all you subscribers to the channel. And thank you very much. Um, you're probably wondering why there hasn't been any new tutorials posted to the Sniffle Valve YouTube channel lately, and that's because of two reasons, actually. And I just thought I'd touch base with you here to let you know that there are more in the works, but a couple other things have come into play that has precluded me from creating anymore. So let me just briefly explain. Uh, um, First is that I am just about to launch a new project that will be focusing on the free versions of the Generate Press theme, the Elementor Page Builder plugin, and the WP Show Posts plugin. And I expect to have this up and ready to go hopefully by next week. That's the uh, actually the third week of March of 2017. And I'll post a quick update video here to let you know on that one. But I think a lot of you on this channel, especially uh, for those of you that are using Generate Press, Elementor, and WP Show Posts, will really get a benefit out of this. It's again a tutorial series basically, but there is a commercial component to it. And that's about all I'm going to say about that one right now. So keep an eye out on your subscription for an update on that. The second reason that I haven't been making any tutorials, and that is the rapid change in the Elementor uh, ecosystem of late. There's been just a real explosion of new add-ons, enhancements, and updates to Elementor itself, adding new features, enhancing existing ones. And as of the last few days, as of this video, a few issues with some of their updates. But that's what I like about Elementor. Their crew is right on top of things, and they listen to all their users, and they worked tirelessly to get another update out, and that has seemed to fix the issues that they were having. So I'm still 100% behind Elementor for a page builder, as you may have noticed. And yeah, so it was kind of a moving target to create any videos for Elementor. Because sure enough, just as when I thought I had a couple ready to go, here they add an enhancement that would negate the use of the video I was about to make. And kind of the same thing, although to not a greater degree, for the Generate Press theme and the Generate Press Premium add-on. Tom Osborne's got a an update for both of those in the final beta stages, and he's hoping to have it released again, either hopefully the second week in March or the third week in March of 2017. So with that, I just thought I'd let you know what's going on, so you didn't wonder why in the heck did I subscribe to this channel. Buddy hasn't put up a video in almost 3 months, or me, gee whiz, it is 3 months, isn't it? That's terrible. But anyways, that's why, and I thought I'd just let you know so that you know that I'm still here and I'm still heavily involved in this, and there'll be more coming very soon. So thank you for your patience and your subscribing to the YouTube channel for Sniffle Valve. And yeah, keep an eye out. More exciting things coming soon. Okay, good night. Or whatever it is where you are is good night where I am. Okay, in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Bye bye.